Hey, and welcome to the YepText Classroom, and in this video we are going to be talking about the analytics feature. Our analytics feature is one of our favorite features, and hopefully you will be able to enjoy it after watching exactly how to use it and all the cool little features inside of it. So all you have to do to go to the analytics page is click on the analytics tab inside of your account. Once you do that, you will be taken to a page where you will be able to see exactly how many people are subscribing to your text messages. So you'll be able to actually take your mouse and hover it over the different points, and it'll actually highlight it and tell you exactly how many people have subscribed, which is a very cool feature. Now the next thing that you need to know how to do is you can actually change and set the dates. You can actually filter it so it sets it by week as well, or by month, and do it from there. What I like to keep it day by day so I can see exactly how many people are subscribing per day. The other really cool feature is if you scroll down here, it actually will show you exactly how many were delivered. So I've sent out 1,463 text messages, and you can see that 99% of them were delivered. That is an impressive delivery rate. So make sure you always check out and see exactly how many were delivered. You'll notice one was failed and another one was rejected. That's a very small percent, and that means that you can trust YepText to deliver your text messages to your customers, fans, followers, or whoever you're using for YepText. The other cool thing is you'll see this pie chart here, which you can check as well. If we scroll down here, you'll notice a YepWords sign up analysis. If you click this expand, it'll actually take you to another area where you can see in depth where the subscriptions and people have been subscribing from, and you actually hover your mouse over these areas and it'll tell you specifically how many people have signed up from these different states in the United States. And you can notice here California obviously had the most, Texas is pretty big, New York is pretty big, and Florida is also pretty big. And if you want to even go more in depth, you can click the more feature here, and it'll actually give you even more, where it'll tell you exactly what cities had the most people subscribing from. When you click in California, it'll switch to only California cities. And then if we scroll down here, you can look at the top carriers, and also it gives you percentages here as well. So we've really gone in depth to make sure you guys have an easy way to figure out exactly where your subscriptions are coming from, and this is a very cool feature that we offer inside of YepText. Now you could also notice here we have voting, survey analysis, web surveys, mobile voting. Whenever you do one of those surveys, polls, or whatever it is that you're trying to do, you will actually be able to get your analysis and your actual surveys and all the results when you click on one of these tabs here. And that pretty much wraps up the analytics tab of YepText. So hopefully now you understand exactly how to use it, and obviously you can go into more detail by clicking details, and it'll give you more details about that exact yep word. So that pretty much wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you in another video.